Alright everybody, welcome back to Skyway Classics. We're now going for a ride in our 1956 Ford Thunderbird. Nice red combo with the red interior. As you know, these cars are more of these old-fashioned 50s diner kind of look cars. What's really nice about this one is it has the matching red on red dash, matching Ford Thunderbird wheel. It is a 3-speed manual, which most of the time you see them as automatics. It doesn't have a radio, but it does have these nice aftermarket gauges to tell you how much oil pressure you're burning, your temperature, and your voltage. You got very decent brakes as we come around the corner. Even when shifting through gears, she's all right. Clutch pedal's not stiff. Got a really nice stance to it, actually. And I'm not a Ford guy. And it also has the removable top, so if you want to have the sun sitting on your face, you'll actually have a good day. Also, don't stay too long, otherwise you might get sunburned. Anyway, we're going to get her turned around, put her on the lift. Let's take a look at the underneath. We hope to see you there. Oh, today you got to it? Sure. Well, that's good. It didn't shake for us. I got that deal. I didn't even have the silver. Hey Jay, you want to roll the tires back with me? Good. Thank you, sir.